Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can get leaves in Minecraft survival. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Minecraft game and make sure it is updated. After that, open your target world and you will be redirected to this type of world. As you can see, if I try to break the leaves, they just disappear and don't fall off onto the ground. So in order to collect them, you will need a couple of iron ingots and a crafting table. Once you've got them, open the crafting table by right-clicking on it, place 2 iron ingots, and another tool will be created. These are called shears, and you can use them to cut the leaves. Now, go to the trees and cut off leaves like you normally do. You can see that the leaves are now dropping off and are not disappearing anymore. So that's basically how you can get leaves in Minecraft survival. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.